Yes, ma'am. Protein treatment time, y'all. Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Shiva Natural Curls here. Today I am sharing my deep conditioner video with you guys. It is an avocado mask that I love to put in my hair now to get my protein, okay? I'm on this water washing only journey right now, and in order to get that protein up in my hair, I do the avocado mask. It doesn't seem to disrupt my sebum or dry out my hair. It clumps my curls. It makes it feel nourished and stronger. So I just had to come up on here today and share that with y'all, okay? This right here, this baby, she is the one. She has been doing the thing for me, and yeah, so we got to get into that. Plus, with this high porosity hair that I have to keep up with my moisture protein balance. So yeah, that's a doozy. So we're gonna head on to my kitchen and I'm gonna whip this up, let y'all see what it do, okay? But before we do that, hit that subscribe button. Come join this journey that I'm on, you guys. I try to make it fun and informative for y'all, so yeah, let's see what it do. Follow me to my kitchen. We're gonna get into this right now, okay? Gotta take the avocado. Okay, so I already did my water rinse today, you guys. So no, I didn't put that in the video, maybe another time, but all this goodness in this bowl right here. It's a little lumpy. I didn't get the lumps out. I tried with the fork, but we're gonna see what it do. So hopefully I don't run into tragedy when it's time to wash it out. We're gonna see. So last time I did it, it was pretty cool. So hopefully it works again today. So let's get into this mask, all right? Yeah, y'all listen to these tunes and I'm gonna do what I do. Ooh, look like the green cookie monster out this junk. But yeah, a little messy. But as you can see, I am all done, you guys. It feels so great in my hair. Y'all can see them curls done clumped, okay? Yes, ma'am. She is the one. I feel like something is missing up here. Hold on. I have to look in my mirror beyond you guys. On some realness. Can't be missing spots. But anywho. Ooh, messy. And I ain't talking about gossip messy. But anywho, so I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about half an hour, 45 minutes. But let me tell you, I'm about to take it back to the old school. You know what I'm saying? I'm bringing out my golden hot heat cap, y'all, okay? My mama gave me this. Now I had to flip her up because I got this little pea head, y'all. Y'all done seen it time after time. But yeah. So she has 3 different levels: low, medium, and high. And I always put mine on high. I need that heat. I need this to penetrate in the strands real good, even though I had that hot plastic hair, but that's just the way I like to do it. So about 30-45 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it out and come back, and I'm gonna let y'all see the results, how it do, and just sit back, chill, keep watching. Keep watching, okay? Okay, you guys, so I am finished with the avocado mask. This is the results of me rinsing it out. I think I got some of those things in my hair. Hopefully I don't, but I think I do. So yeah, but if you guys can see, it's so strengthened. It feels great, much stronger. I don't know, just that avocado, man, she does some fierce things to these curls, okay? I'm going to keep this in my regimen for my protein treatment, especially while I'm on this water-only washing journey, you guys. So, and also, let me know if y'all know how to get rid of the stuff in your hair from the avocado. I know I tell y'all all the time, Google it, but I'm actually reaching out and asking you guys, like, please tell me, let me know what's up. That's it for y'all today. I hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave some comments in the box below. Let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos yet to come. And I will see you guys later. Till then, stay safe and yeah, rock out.